Hi everyone, this is Sam Jurgens from CMA. Thank you all so much for having me today as part of your marketing committee meeting. What I'd like to do over the next few minutes is run through some key pages on the new HMMC website that we have been working on over the past several months. The new site is not live yet. We will be launching it in the coming weeks. But what we wanted to do today is just do a quick run through. That way you get an understanding of the new look and feel and ultimately have just a little sneak peek before it goes live. So what I have on screen right now is the current HMMC website, just so you can really see visually the transition from where we are now and then where we're going as far as a digital presence on the website specifically. So for the redesign of the website, we had two goals to keep in mind. The first one was to achieve a more modern, up-to-date look and feel. So adding in some features, functionality, some clean, bold lines, incorporating more visuals, whether it's images or just more pops of color. And then our second goal was to really take a look at the content and structure of the site and condense it in such a way so that it's easy for the end user to get to where they have to get to. It takes far less clicks and far less time to get the information they need, and they have a far more enjoyable experience when on HMMC's website. All right, so here we are right now on your screen, and we're just going to pop over to the new one. There we go. All right, great. So right away, we see some really nice pops of that vibrant HMMC blue. You'll see throughout the site, it is certainly the theme. We wanted to keep that blue front and center to really reinforce the brand. Up top, we have the navigation, super simple, home, about, join, learn, contact, and then a quick access for member login. A little search feature right here in case someone comes on the site and they know exactly what they want. They can search and get there instantaneously. Up top, we have our social media icons. Bring you right there. Oops, sorry about that. HMMC headquarters email, so people can just email quickly. And then the phone number for headquarters. This is especially useful when on a mobile device, so that people can call right away. As soon as you click that email, it's going to pop up into an empty email template for them to send. Right here we have a static homepage banner with our tagline. Quick, here's what HMMC is. Learn more goes right to our mission page. As we scroll down, you'll start to see as well that navigation turns into a static nav that's going to follow the user throughout the page. That way they don't have to worry about scrolling all the way back to the top. It's just always there for them, and it pushes them to go through the site a bit more as well. Keeps it top of mind. Right away, we have a little blurb about the association as a little introduction, and then we have 3 call-out boxes. So right here, our conference, super important that we have that showcased. Industry information. So that page encompasses all our webinars and presentations, just showing that HMMC is involved and is keeping their members informed in the industry. And then HMMC mission, just really reinforcing that. Here we have a call-out box, just showing that there's more than one way to be a part of HMMC. You don't have to just join, you can sponsor. And then a benefits of membership section as well. So industry knowledge, professional investment, networking opportunities, educational opportunities, leadership skills, and of course, ultimately, the power to succeed. And always incorporating that tag into there. On the bottom here, we have this on every page. We have proud sponsors call out, really giving some nice visibility to those who support the organization and partner with us, and then all their logos link out to their website, so people have easy access there. Some social proof down here, what our members are saying. This is important because it's testimonials from people that are involved in the association, and it brings an additional layer of validation to who HMMC is. And it brings a bit of a human element to it, right? So it's not just what HMMC is saying about itself, but what people are actually experiencing as part of the organization. So this is really key to have. And right here we have an area for people to submit their information to become part of the email list. All right. And then just another call at the bottom to join HMMC today. And at the bottom, we have our footer navigation with the breakout of all the pages. Again, just easy access in case someone doesn't want to go up to the top or do these drop downs. Any way we can provide access to dive deeper into the site without it being distracting, we do that. And then a nice little back to top. Okay, great. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Again, just some key pages we're going to go through so you understand the overall look and feel. All right, in the mission, and you'll see as we go through the site, some photos do still have the watermark on it. That's our last little tweak we're working on before launch, just finalizing some of the imagery, so pay no mind, please. Very clean. As far as headlines and body copy, we have our history, our mission, values, and then who belongs to HMMC. Pulling in that HMMC blue wherever we can. Here we have the Board of Governors, again just populating some last minute photos into there. When you scroll over, it does bring their the photos to life by colorizing it. We have their name, position, company information, phone number, and then a little email icon right here so that they can get in touch with, let's say Brad Baker. All right. Again, very clean, just so that people can see quickly who is leadership for this organization. Okay. Under join, we have membership benefits, types, and a page to apply. So we'll go to membership types. All right. And we broke it out into the 3 different tiers. So executive, associate, and service partner memberships. And all they have to do is go right here, download, click it. It'll download the application for that membership tier. They fill it out and they send it in. So super, super simple. We outline some of those benefits for them, so it's front and center. All right, let's go over to Learn. Under Learn, we have our annual conference page, sponsorships, and webinars and presentations. So let's go to that annual conference page because it's really an important page and it's my favorite page. All right, right up top here, visually, we're always going to have a photo of the place where we're holding the conference. Okay, and we have an anchor nav right here, or sub-navigation. It's all anchor links. So as soon as you click on, let's say you want to go to hotel reservations, you click right on it, jumps right down to that section, so that way you don't have to scroll down. Again, making this super easy to access. All right. Our sections on the annual conference page are the agenda, speakers, hotel reservations, sponsor exhibitor info, the event activity, conference notebook, and register now. And we reversed out the colors right here so that it's really called out. And just that subtle nod to actually register, because that's ultimately the goal, right? Okay, and first up we have a little blurb about the conference. Then we go right into the agenda, which is just tabbed into the different days. All right, so it's easy for you to come on here if you're in the middle of the conference, especially, and you don't know where you're going. You just hop right on this annual conference page, go to the day that you're on, and you can see exactly where you have to be. All right, conference speakers, just carrying over consistency from that Board of Governors page. We have the speaker photos as well as their little bios underneath, just as a little introduction. Hotel reservations, everyone can book easily from this page. Sponsors and exhibitor info, always want to bring that as a call out. And then the event activity. Y'all are going to the races this time, which I'm very jealous about, but this is a nice little area where we can dive a little deeper into what the activity is, give people just a little taste for, aside from the sessions, what they're going to be doing. And then past conferences. So once they click here, they'll go to a page that has agendas from previous conferences. All right, and we'll just do a little back to top. All right, so those are key pages throughout the HMMC website. We are really excited about launching this site, as I hope you all are as well. And I really look forward to your feedback. All right, great. Thank you. Bye.